Okay, now I'm gonna add, I already added the cabbage and the squash. Now I'm adding the cabbage, no, I meant eggplant and aubergine. Oh, I have a couple of squash there too. I think I have to remove some of the water. Maybe not. Alright. And you can cover this with the cover or with some plastic bag. Well, put a plastic bag on top of it, and also the top part of the pot. So, and please do not add the carrots yet. You need to add them at the very end of it, because you don't want to eat, you know, it'll be too soft and it does not taste good. You need it to be a little crunchy, not too crunchy, but not soft. Alright, so now the meat has been sitting, marinating for half an hour, so we're gonna add it. We're gonna cook it now. So let me just put that. Well, first I'm gonna put some oil in the pot. Add some oil. As far as the meat, you can cook it the way you cook meat, you know. It's not, there's no specific way of cooking it. Well, beef, because it's beef, so you would not shoot it or, you know, add some hot water in there. You don't need to do that because it's beef. And alright, so we're adding that in there. And we just let it cook for about half an hour until the meat is soft and edible. So we're adding this there. And you can also cover the pot for the meat. It will help it cook faster. Alright, so alright, so once this is cooked and the meat is cooked, we're gonna smash this, and it's like blending it, not really blending it on a blender, but you need to smash it, make it soft, and then after that we're gonna add the meat to it. Anyways, check out this next step and I'll show you the process. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and let's see, yeah, hi, it looks delicious. Alright, and I'll see you on the next step once they're cooked. And once this is almost cooked, then that's when you add the carrots. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright guys, at this point I'm gonna add the carrots. I like to add them in the sauce like this, and we're gonna let it boil until it's fully cooked. And there's a few ingredients that I added, like the green bell pepper, onions, and I also had a leftover crab. Well, I never used it, but it was in the fridge, sitting in the fridge, so that's a good thing to add in your legume. So let me just add the carrots in there. Alright, and So as you can see, it's almost ready. It smells so good. And at this point now, you need to start tasting the sauce and see if you need to add salt or any other ingredients. Let's see. This is good. This is good. This is perfect. So you just let it cook. And this here is the vegetable. At this point, the meat is cooked, and also the vegetables. So we're gonna drain this.